She go, hey, everybody shut up. My head hurt. Like, just all the time. Bitch, then you need to go see the doctor. They ain't know, your body ain't supposed to be doing something wrong. Something wrong. Nigga, the check energy light is on in your body. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, click it or ticket. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, switch hands. All the above.
Remove the hat and the sunglasses.
Fresh about the job, yeah, I know. Don't know what rhymes with that, but anyway, I'm fresh about the job. But anyway, yo, yeah, I know what this is. This is Wavy's weekly sneaker rotation, where I show you how the sneaks that I've rocked throughout the week. A few bum fits.
Yes, you too can be a Soul Train dancer.
You already know how it goes, man. You like it, you like it. If you don't,
who gives a fuck?
Yo, before we start this video, let me get 500 likes on this joint.
No!
I came with it with the fits.
The who?
Definitely came with it on the quantity.
Delusional.
I ain't even gonna hold y'all. We about to get into the vid. Yeah, I know, brother. See you when I see you in a second. Sunday, sneakerheads. I probably went to church, I don't know. I broke out the Jordan 11 Legend Blue joints. This is probably like the first time I ever broke these out on my sneaker rotation. I'm rocking these with some white Nike socks with the black swoosh. PRPS shorts that I got for like 24 bucks. Saks off Saks Fifth. The jersey is made for the 9s, but who cares? It's by Effectus Clothing. You already know. Use my discount code WAVY. Save 25%. I got that New York Yankee fitted with the World Series side patch. Peep the pose. Peep the wall. Ow. Jump to Friday, I broke out the Air Max 1 Griffey freshwater joints, the OG joints. This is my favorite colorway right here. Only thing I don't like about these is the sole yellow's mad quick. Word. But other than that, man, these joints is tough. On top of that, I'm rocking these with some bullhead jeans from PacSun, some light joints. On top of that, I got a Guess hoodie, lightweight joint, sleeveless. And to finish that off, I got that Florida Marlins fitted with the World Series side patch. Yeah, I know, brother. Peep the pose. Ow. Saturday, I broke out the Air Jordan 3 True Blues. These are the 2011-2012 joints. And I kicked myself because I ain't copped the last ones that released. I was like, nah, I'm good with these. But what I'm going to do when these are done?
Come on, think.
Anyway, on top of that, rocking these with some Smoke Rise shorts. I think these are like some stain magnets. Word. $19 joints. I got that London tee. Finish that off, I got that Toronto Blue Jays fitted with the World Series side patch. The side patches be winning. Yeah, I know, brother. Peep the pose.
You think you're Mac?
Macaroni.
Ow. Sunday, Orchard Beach. I broke out the Jordan 11 Cherry Lows. Love these right here. Glad they re-released. Now I can really bang them how I want to. Pause. I wish they came out with a mid, but anyway, man. On top of that, I'm rocking these with some PRPS Barracuda shorts. The tees by Effectus Clothing, very dope joint. You already know the discount code. You already know how much you can save. Finish that off. I got that black Chicago White Sox fitted with the red brim. You already know, brother. Peep the pose. Ow. Jump to Wednesday or something? I don't know. I broke out the Air Jordan 4 Green Glow joints. Love these. Swear I try to keep them clean. But anyway, man, on top of that, rocking these with some True Religion jeans, because you know I'm a True Religion hater. These are the great joints. I'm going to eventually start phasing them joints out whenever I get another pair of gray jeans in a different brand. But anyway, man, the Biggie tees by Sneakerhead NYC. Use my discount code WAVY. Save 15%. And to finish that off, Toronto Blue Jays fitted. It matches the joint. Yeah, I know, brother. Peep the pose. Ow. Thursday, July the 4th. Yeah. I broke out the Air Jordan 1 Letterman joints. I got some red Champion socks. The shorts is a Smoke Rise joint, $19. You already. The soccer jerseys by 89 Clothing. You can use my discount code WAVY. Save 25%. You see that 4 train coming by, you already know, brother. Peep the pose. Ow. Friday, I broke out the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man joints. Now, I see what people were saying about sole protectors for these, because, man, yo, the bottoms get dirty quick. But anyway, man, for all that, I'm rocking these with some camo pants from Minimal LA. The tees by Sneakerhead NYC. Classic joint right here. You already know the discount code. You already know how much you can save. And to finish that off, I got that Detroit Pistons snapback. And you already know, bro. Peep the pose. Ow.
Beast to my nigga 40, 60 of us keep it a buck, what's real, call me.
So yo, y'all like that vid? 500 likes on that joint, word. Got me a little pickup, you know what I'm saying? Mom Dukes went to, where she went? Oh, she went to Germany. So She got me another jersey, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got. Well, y'all already know. Y'all already know the team. You know what I'm saying? You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Anyway, yo, give me a second. You know the vibes. Just relax. It's the jersey. The vibes. Everything's the vibes. You know what I'm saying? But nah, she got me more than that. I thought it was just the jersey. Just the jersey. Damn. You already know. Boom. Eintracht Frankfurt. Shout out to him, my mother's son too. This is how we bond through Eintracht Frankfurt. Word up. Man, got the bucket. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Eintracht all day. Probably a bill. Hold up, give me a second. Oh shit.
Oh, did I say shit?
Man, my mother's so thoughtful, yo. Check this shit out. Yo, this was my Crown Vic back in the day, yo. Hell yeah. This was my joint. I was selling it. See, I got the Jumpman symbol in the back. Hell yeah, and then the Jumpman joint right here. Yo, that's crazy. Hell yeah. Had them 23s on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Been riding. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Got a Eintracht Frankfurt coin. The joint's gonna go on my coffee table. Hell yeah. Well, what is this? A magnet? If it's a magnet, it's gonna go on the refrigerator. Oh shit. Damn, got my junior ready. You know what I'm saying? Got my junior ready. Hell yeah. Hey, what's up, man? Appreciate that. Hey, I remember one time my homegirl, she was like, oh, it's your brother now, he got you something. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, it was my brother when I was talking about the jersey. Yo, you stupid. Yo, that white girl, she said she just...
Yo, shut up. Don't talk. Don't talk.
Boom. Look at that joint. Bam. Eintracht Frankfurt on the back. This is the retro joint. I forget what year this is. Let me see. Oh, what year is this? I don't know, huh? One of them years. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Damn. Got that joint. Boom. Got Smarties. Killing M&M's. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Haley, you right.
Yo, 500 likes on this joint, man. Shout out to my mother. Shout out to her son. You know, that's my brother. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so got some joints. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been rocking with me. Y'all already know. Last thing, 500 likes, like I keep saying. But anyway, yo, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter B. But that's Snups. It's your boy Wavy, you already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.